What's up, Rated R Cars family? I have a few massive pieces of news on the Shelby and Mustang front, including big news on the new 2020 GT500. Here's the download. Before we discuss the GT500, Lebanon Ford is back at it, shaking up the industry again with a 1,000 horsepower bomb of a car, a 1,000 horsepower Mustang. They're calling it Project M, which probably stands for Hey BMW M, how about a healthy dose of D's nuts? You can call up Lebanon Ford and you can order this star destroyer of a Mustang for only $55,000, which is, I don't know, $20,000 less than the GT500 starting price of $75,000. And that is without markup for a faster car. 760 horsepower or 1,000 horsepower and $20,000 in your pocket. You could do a lot with $20,000. I, for one, could pay my bills for once. This even undercuts the Dodge Hellcat, which starts at $59,000, a full $4,000 more. This package, by the way, includes the automatic transmission, the 10-speed auto, the performance package level 1, and the 301A Walmart interior. That's pretty awesome in and of itself, but check this out. The Project M that comes with the manual transmission comes in even cheaper at just under $50,000, a whole $5 cheaper at $49,995. Because, you know, $5. What? I can think of plenty of things to buy with $5. No! You can spec this out with a Whipple or a Pro Charger. And this also comes with a Palm Beach dyno tune, a 1,000 horsepower Mustang. This thing is going to be a fixture around many a telephone pole or unsuspecting crowd. You know how we do? That's right, you do. So what are the downsides to this glorious masterpiece? Well, for one, no warranty. Just your standard Ford bumper-to-bumper warranty, but good luck getting your car fixed with this 1,000 horsepower monster under the hood. There is a labor warranty included, and I'm not sure exactly how that works out, but I'm sure it means that you buy the parts and they'll supply the labor. Pretty cool. But if you're not feeling like a risk taker, you're not feeling very risk averse, excuse me, you're a little pansy. Mr. Pansy Pant. So if you are a little wuss, you can get one of their 700 horsepower plus packages that includes a cushy little warranty. You know, for you little bedwetters. Wuss. Excuse me. Oh, and the other downside, if you would call it a downside, is that you're going to have to go with their E85 tune if you want to hit this 4-digit number. Otherwise, you can opt for a 93 octane wussy boost, which will come in around 800 horsepower, aka Child's Play, aka Hey Mommy, I peed my pants. No! Thank you for turning that streetlight on in my face, New York. The only other downside, which is very minor, is that your car's gonna blow up. No, seriously. Physics. You're gonna shred your drivetrain. Drive shaft? Not gonna make it. Half shafts? You name it. Not even your shift knob is gonna survive. The only traction you're gonna be putting down is the tracks in your underwear. Undies. When you put your foot down and your tires roll by you, because they fell off. Because 1,000 horsepower. But Lebanon Ford is going to give you an a la carte menu to shore up your car. You're going to be able to option this stuff, but it's going to cost you. And you're going to be approaching the cost of the GT500 if you do so, but you'll still have a fair amount of savings, especially with the markup. So if you want the bragging rights of a 1,000 horsepower car that looks, sounds, and feels awesome at an affordable price, but is going to blow over like Godzilla farting on a deck of cards, this car's for you. And by the way, it's not Godzilla, it's Gojira. I used to live in Japan, and I still remember the important words. I am smart. Watashi wa baka da. I am a cool guy. Watashi wa kakkoiku nai hito da ne. Honto wa hentai na no akibaken da. Trust me, Japanese people used to love me. Kono henna no gaijin da ne. Ike! Ambulance went by. Always take a moment to pray for those in need when an ambulance goes by. All right, back to the tomfoolery. Guys, who else brings you tomfoolery and prayer in the middle of New York? So my point is, if you want a drag racer, you can option it for a little extra money. And if you want a power cruiser and you want to mod it at your leisure, just keep your foot off the floor, okay? It's getting a little bit too dark here. Let's take a drive. Hi there, it's another day in the state of rainy New York. I have some awesome news on the GT500 front. The new 2020 GT500 reportedly has a 100-mile break-in period, which is great because our boy over there at Speed Phenom has already been beating the crap out of his GT500, while I've been sitting here breaking in my replacement motor on my GT350. No, not breaking my motor, breaking in. So only a 100-mile break-in. That's awesome. He also immediately dynoed his GT500, and guess what? It dynoed at 705 rear wheel horsepower, or 800 horsepower to the crank, beating Ford's projected 760 horsepower by 40 ponies. As usual, Ford has underrated their car, and I find that to be particularly excellent. Good job, Ford. My 18 Mustang GT was underrated, my GT350 was underrated. Ford, I always loved the little golden nuggets you always leave for us. I said little golden nuggets, not little brown stinky nuggets. You little stinkers. Sometimes we find a turd. Don't be leaving these little stinkers. But a lot of the time they leave us these nice little golden nuggets, and this one was 40 extra ponies. Good job, Ford. And how about another little Christmas gift stamped with a blue oval bow? He weighed his car, which is reportedly supposed to be 4,250 pounds, but the actual weight was just over 4,000 pounds. A full 200 pounds less than we expected. Great job, Ford. And by the way, you slap that carbon fiber package on her, and she's gonna be a veritable welterweight of a car. You guys know that reasonably priced carbon fiber package? Just kidding, Ford. You know I like to slap the sheep out of you. Love you guys. You keep making cars that we want to be seen in, and we'll keep ponying up our hard-earned dead presidents. Track time. Dude is on a roll. He already took his GT500 to the track and made a 10.66 pass. No joke. Ford has gotten really good at under-promising and over-delivering, which is much better than the other way around. Hey guys, remember that GT500 beats C8 video that I put out a few months back? Link in the description below. Let me just say that it takes a big man not to gloat. I am not a big man. In your face. You look so stupid. Disclaimer, if the C8 actually ends up beating the GT500 in every way, then be sure to check out my video that shows the C8 beating the GT500 in every other way. Link in the description below. PSSSSSS. I know these cars are in a different class. Get a life. Cars are fun to talk about. End of disclaimer. Why am I still talking like this? Oh yeah, and remember that little video I just did a couple weeks ago on the Mustang Mach-E and how I liked the concept and I thought it was a good business decision on Ford's part? There was a lot of fussiness about the Mustang Mach-E, guys. A lot of fussiness. Well, newsflash, the Mustang Mach-E has sold out. And again, it takes a big man not to gloat, and I'm not gonna say I told you so because that wouldn't be kinder than necessary. Nope, not at all, not a bit. Next bit of news, we're talking about the Shelby truck. Shelby American just fast-tracked the Super Snake Sport F-150 into production. Jeff Hagar, shout out to you, brother. Your truck's probably faster. But for everyone else, 250 of the 2020 Shelby trucks will be available to those of us in the US of A, and a handful will be shipping worldwide. During the Shelby American test, the truck did the 0 to 60 dash in just 3.45 New York seconds. It reached 100 miles an hour in a swelteringly fast 8.3 seconds. This is an F-150 we're talking about here, boys and girls. The truck features Shelby-specific lowered suspension, up to 770 horsepower, a sweet exhaust, custom wheels, and a new brake system. The exterior has a meaner and more aerodynamic look, while the interior has stylish Shelby amenities, like Cobras. If people are watching me, they're gonna think I'm cuckoo. Sometimes I'm just not all there. The naturally aspirated V8 is going to set you back 86,000 greenbacks. And the 770 horsepower version is going to cost guys like me $93,000 spread out over a 72-month high-interest loan. All right, guys, if you want general, more mature car news, I recommend Matt Moran Motoring. However, if you want some Mustang-specific news delivered right to your door from your host who's not all there, hit the like, sub, send that bell to hell, drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright guys, always be kinder than necessary. For example, if you share this video, or if you use my Amazon links to make product purchases, or buy some Top Coat F11 using my unique discount code in the description below. And watch my videos from start to finish. This is your channel. Make it something that you can be proud of.